Next up, save the rebellion for Artisan. In this, we need to place a flash drive in the guardhouse that we can collect from the tent in base camp and ensure our survival to not lose the flash drive. This is relatively simple. In the base, simply head over to this place over here once more, right by the helipad, and you should find a flash drive on the table here. Just make sure you have at least one slot open. Now, just a quick note, I didn't expect this coming, but it seems like doing this mission will cancel out Rebel Scum for Handshake, so it's kind of a decision between whether you're going to do this one or Rebel Scum, where you eliminate 20 hostiles in that area. It seems like if you choose to save them, that mission cancels that. Otherwise, if you choose to get 20 kills in that area, you can't do this flash drive mission, so just keep that in mind when you go in, so you don't eliminate too many people before placing your flash drive. You'll need to pick one to do or the other one. I didn't see why this would happen at the time, but looking back, it does kind of make sense. Anyways, you'll see that in just a moment. What you need to do is head across to the tent by your helipad, and next to this computer, you'll find the USB stick that we need to take with us. Appeal to the rebels. Once you have this, place it in your safe bag, just so we don't lose anything, and we'll go ahead and call the heli in to take us to YBL-1. You'll of course need quite a bit of weaponry, as there are tons of angry AI, and if you're on a PvP server, probably tons of angry players too. Let's go ahead and get this done. Landing here at YBL-1 and heading all the way to the main entrance, which is right over here. As you can see, we'll need to head into this guardhouse over here. So with the USB flash drive on you, walk around here and into the guardhouse, then you should see a computer. What we'll do is look at the notepad next to the table, press F, and just like that, you'll have the mission complete. You can open your messages. I made this man unhappy. What mission did I fail? I don't know. Okay. The mission called Rebel Scum from Handshake seems to have vanished, so we can only do one or the other. But anyways, with this done, we've now leveled up Artisan, and we should be able to progress further. So now we'll need to get back to base to claim the reward. Handing in the quest for Save the Rebellion, we get our reward, and of course, if you chose to do it for Handshake instead, you'll be handing that one in anyways. So, which one is better? Nobody knows. Pick whichever one and roll with it. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.